When we start RobotC, you want to look at your desktop, and we're looking for a RobotC icon that says RobotC for Vex Robotics. Do not use the graphical one. Okay, that's a different type of program. We want RobotC for Vex Robotics. Double click on it to open it. You may get a prompt saying that RobotC requires some downloads. You may always opt to download things from RobotC. This first page is the start page. In the right-hand side, it tells you about patches and bug fixes. And in this center part, it tells you about events and news. Before you can code anything in RobotC, there's a few things you need to check with your software to make sure your settings are correct. I'd like to direct your attention to the top bar on your screen. There's the title bar, and then underneath it, it says File, Edit, View, Robot, Window, and Help. We're going to start with the Robot menu. Click on Robot, and you'll see the menu pop up. Mouse down to Platform Type. There's two options that you need to select. The first option you need to have selected is Vex 2.0 Cortex. There should be a small round black bullet next to it. If there's not, click on it to make the bullet appear. Then you can go back into Robot, back down to Platform Type, and select Natural Language PLTW. Make sure you have a check mark next to Natural Language PLTW. So once you have those two check marks there, you can mouse over to the side and click out of it. Okay, so Robot, Platform Type, Vex 2.0 Cortex, and Natural Language PLTW. The next thing we're going to do is click on View. Click on View, and there's two options we're going to be addressing in this menu. The first one is going to be Select Communication Port. Please click on Select Communication Port, and the Select Communication Port window will open. Underneath the window that shows the list, there are two checkboxes. The first checkbox says, Allow any ports, COM, for communications link. Please check that box. Make sure there is a check mark in that box. Then click OK. Go back to View. Right underneath Select Communication Port, the next option is Preferences. Move your mouse over Preferences and you'll get a submenu off to the right. Mouse down to Detailed Preferences. Click on Detailed Preferences to open the Detailed Preferences window. Underneath Application Startup, the second checkbox down says Open Last Project on Startup. Please uncheck that box. The next section says Automatic File Saving. Please uncheck both those checkboxes. We do not want to have automatic file saving. If you've made changes, please click the Apply button and then OK. We're going to click New File, and you should see something like this. My screen is zoomed in so you can see it. Now we're ready to start writing some code.